Hello, hello. Welcome back and congratulations on reaching the final week 8. It's been a long journey. I have been your guide, your mentor, Trader Mzambezi from the War Room Trading University. And this has been the smart liquidity concept. At this point, we are at the consolidation, live readiness, and final assessment. The end of the beginning. You are now equipped. The real work starts here. So, I am basically someone who has given you naitwaje ile kitu. Hii kitu inatumika kukata, kuchinja mtu hii. Hii kitu madaktari hutumia kuchinja mtu. Okay, the name imepotea, okay? Lakini I've just given you that. So, this is when how the real work begins. It's like I'm training you to be a surgeon, okay? Our primary objective, students are supposed to consolidate all the 8 weeks, complete the final assessment, and receive a structured live trading readiness evaluation. Basically, if you've gone through that, you're now bound to do the evaluation. The integration, bring together market structure, the smart liquidity framework, the psychology, execution, system into one unified approach. The psychological focus of hivi is just transition anxiety, confidence versus recklessness, and building the long-term thinking that sustained a trading career. Now, the demo to live transition. Why traders fail here? Why traders fail here? To going from demo to live is psychologically one of the most difficult transitions in a trader's journey. The technical skills are the same. The emotional experience is radically different. I talked about these in the previous sessions. So, common failures patterns. So, failures patterns at the demo to live transition. Remember, real money creates stakes creates emotions, and emotions creates errors. Number one is the risk increased failure. Going live with oversized position because demo doesn't wasn't exciting enough. The first large loss destroys confidence and capital simultaneously. Sasa juu demo haikuwa inakufurahisha, you weren't making any money, you decide to risk because demo ilikupatia false confidence. Okay? And the first loss destroys your confidence and capital simultaneously. Number two, we have overconfidence failure. Demo profit creates, I've just talked about this, creates false certainty. Demo results don't factor in emotional interference of real money on the line. Paralysis failure. Fear of losing real money creates hesitation, missed entries, and degraded execution. The opposite problems from overconfidence. Now we have fear. Fear is now kicking in at this point. System abandonment. The first live loss triggers doubt, then tinkering, then strategy switching. The endless cycles that keeps traders permanently unprofitable. So the first live losses triggers doubt, then tinkering, then strategy switching. So these are some of the things you need to avoid. Okay. Only transition when the final assessment criteria has been met. Number one, this is the transition protocol. Have you met the criteria? Only transition when all have been met, okay? No exceptions. Criteria are not there for protections, not bureaucracy. Step two, micro lots only. Start with the smallest position size from that your brokers allows. Goal, execute your plan with real money. Profit is not the target in month one. Month one, toa profit kwa kichwa, okay? Focus on executing what you've learned using lot size ya 0.01, okay? just to see, is this thing really working? How are my emotions? Emotions zangu zikoaje? Juu hata with the 0.01, as a beginner, you still feel some emotions. Now, the same system, same pairs, same rules, same setups, same sessions. No change during transition. Change one variable at a time only after you collected data. Have a 30-day orientation. Set a 30-day orientation period where your performance target is just zero. Only metrics. Plan adherence. Every day you follow the plan is a win. Okay? Treating, treat as training. Treat it as training. View your first live man as expensive demo. Any demo umelipia. At this point, hata sitakuadvise, hapo hivi nitakuadvise go for a 5k account. 5k account. 5k account is less than $50. Just go pay $50, okay? If $50 yako badala uende deposit kwa broker, okay? Buy a 5k account in FTM, FTM wananga. In Funded Next ama Funding Pips on a prop firm, okay? Treat it as training. Hii bado ni training. Ili tu umelipia. These guys give you an expensive demo. Toa profit kwa kichwa. You are just experimenting. Is this thing really working? Okay? Now the period. Micro live trading. Zero performance target. Process adherence. Zero violation of your trading plan. Move to month 3 to 4. Now you can speed up this process, but give yourself 12 months. So this is just a 12-month consistency map where you begin by mapping small profit sizing. Okay, let me just give me a moment. Okay, now we're back. Small position sizing. Introduce risk toward multiple tracking. Profit expectancy demonstrated over 40 live trades. If you are consistently profitable, switch to a standard micro lot size. Okay, follow this protocol. Follow this protocol. Compound carefully. Evidence-based progression only. Usitoke 0.01 to 1 lot size juu umeona unge make pesa mingi zizi. It's not about the profit in the first year. Jipatie mwaka moja. Okay, just give yourself 1 year. Bado itafika. 1 year is still going to pass. Ask yourself, after hii mwaka moja, kama nime-execute ama sija-execute kitu, this person from TWR Academy ananiambia, kama sija-execute, will I really make, okay, kutakuwa na any change? So just give yourself these 12 months, okay? 3 consecutive profitable months before any sizing increases. Refine, review, elevate, real age becomes visible in data. 200 plus general trades, patterns emerging, and age quantifiable. Now, sasa hii hapa, if you can't afford small live account, go for a 5k account challenge. 5k account. Risk like 0.1%. There's no way you're going to blow the 5k account in 0.1%. And you're sure you're going to last for these 12 months if you follow the risk management that I taught you. So 5% basically means 0.1% basically means you're risking $5 per trade. Now as your confidence increases, you now go to $10, $20, $30 until you reach a 1% risk. At 1% risk, you'll have journaled, utakuwa pia umepita account, and you'll get your money back sure. If you pass the account, you'll get your money back plus profits. Okay, this is the beginner's failure cycle. These are the beginner's failures cycles basically. Number 1, we have the strategy opus. First, these cycles keep most retail traders permanently stuck. Kazi yangu ni kukusaidia. The TWR is designed to interrupt every one of them permanently. So the strategy hopper, changing strategy after every losing streak, break, Commit to one strategy for 3 months plus with 100 plus setups before evaluating. Okay, hakikisha umejournal hii system nimekupatia before uende ingine, uende utafute ACT, uende utafute SMC, uende sijui utafute CRT, uende utafute sijui nini nini nini. Hey, commit to one strategy for 3 months plus with 100 plus setups. Acha kuwa na hii rush ya kuunda do. This is what keeping you stuck, man. Cycle 2, the demo avoider. Skipping demo to trade live because demo isn't real. Break. Treat demo with full seriousness. Same rules, same psychology, same discipline. Kama una demo ni ngumu kutreat, go for ongeza some nini. Go for a 5k account. Kama una 5k ni kidogo, go for a 10k account. Now let me tell you why 10k iko sawa. Okay? 10k account, if you reach a target of 15%, you are funded. Basically 10% in phase 1 and 5% in phase 2. Okay, you're funded, and once you're funded, it's a demo account that you're trading. You just aim for 10% every month. 10% every month, that's $1,000, which after an 80% profit split, that one is $800. $800, you're in a third world country, man. That's 100k in Kenya in a month, of which you're not limited to it. You can reach 20%, 5%, whichever you are. Uko sawa nayo. So treat this thing with seriousness, okay? Information addict. Consuming endless content instead of trading. Break. One course, one framework, 90 days focused execution. Stop learning, start applying. After hii usiende kutafuta course ingine. Hii kitu umelana hapa hivi ina work. I'm speaking in Kiswahili. I'm just trying to stress on this thing, okay? Stop being a consumer. That thing that you think is working, go test it out. Go test it out. The next mistake that beginners do is over leverage. Over leverage. Maximum leverage to accelerate gains. Break. Absolute 2% risk cap per trade, regardless of the conviction. Enforced before sitting down. Number 5, emotional reactor. Decisions based on how you feel, not what the chart shows. Break. Every trade checklist, mandatory circuit breakers built into your systems. A TWR guarantee. A student who follows the curriculum, journals honestly, and reviews weekly will break all 5 circles within the 8 weeks program. This is just 8 weeks. Okay? 8 weeks peke yake. You follow the structure, you've done what I've told you to do. Everything, this is the guarantee. Kama if not, come back to me and tell me nikubuy account ya 10k, but unikujie na proof, that you've done everything that I told you to. In fact, you won't even come. Okay, you won't even come juu utakuwa umepata profits. Final assessment structures. Now, how do you assess yourself? Assessment test is not just knowledge, but the ability to think, analyze, and execute like a professional trader. It covers 3 domains, all weighted differently to reflect the realities of what determines trading success. Part 1, written knowledge. Written knowledge, the SLC framework explanation. Market structure labeling. Unajua label structures, order block, favor lookups, identification, top down analysis, position sizing, then practical trading. Demo, go for a demo account. Do that. Psychology, I already gave you the best psychology there is. Minimum pass rate is 70 to 100. Okay? Rate yourself, man. Now, these are some of the criteria that must be met. Final assessment done, written assessment, practical psychological assessment, consistency assessment, general completeness, trading plan, and psychological clarity. Okay? Roads ahead. What comes after the 8 weeks? 8 weeks program is the foundation. The real building begins now. Every trade, every journal entry, every weekly review is brick in the structure of your trading career. For the next 90 days, go micro live. Execute your trading plan with micro lot size in a live market. Zero performance pressure, just process adherence in process adherence is the only metrics. 4 to 6 months data collection. Your journal. Your journal now contains real life data. Patterns becomes visible, refine based on evidence, not emotions or patience. Advanced SLC concepts. Now in higher levels, you have to learn institutional delivery cycles, weekly weekly and daily profiles and correlation analysis, communities and accountability. The TWR community continues beyond the 8 weeks. We have weekly group reviews, advanced sessions, and ongoing accountability structures. If you want to be part of the community, DM me now at Trader Mzambezi. At Trader Mzambezi. At Trader Mzambezi. DM me now at Trader Mzambezi, okay? The market rewards preparations, not op. Every week of study, every journal entry, every demo trade has been preparation. Now execute with discipline, patience, and with certainty that process applied consistently over trade wins. Let me tell you a story. There is this trader. Okay, it's not a trader basically. It's a sprinter from Jamaica. The guy trained for 2 years, only to run for 7 seconds. If you know what I'm talking about, you get the concept. Only to run for 7 seconds and win $1 million. So can you say that it took him 7 seconds to get or to earn $1 million, or it took the 2 years preparation? Now that is the market. Itafika siku, you'll come to the market. Just set your alerts. Trade inakuja kwa your entry. It goes your way, straight to TP. Process. 1 month, 2 months, you're rising. Preparation, not hope. That is what the market rewards. Now, the session breakdowns, the full SLC review. Transitioning. Now, let me talk about the common mistakes and misconceptions. Going live before all assessments are met. Sikiliza hapa, listen to me carefully. Don't go live before all the assessments that I've pointed out back then are met. The criteria exist to protect your capital and confidence. Okay? Going live before you are ready destroys both, and the resulting psychological damage can take months or years to recover. Man, I wish someone told me this while I was starting out. I wish someone told me this, hey, focus on these. I would have saved lots and lots of time and capital that I wasted. Basically, that's a learning fee. I didn't waste. That's the cost of doing business. Okay? Mistake number 2, increasing your position size in the first month of trading. Your first 1 to 2 months in live market are not emotional calibration, not for profit maximization. Size up only after 3 months of documented, consistent, positive risk reward. Mistake number 3, abandoning the journal once live trade begins. Your journal is more important in live trading than in demo. Stakes are real, the data is real, the growth opportunity is real. Keep journaling. Number 4, treating 8 weeks as an ending rather than a beginning. After these 8 weeks, the 8 weeks are just the foundation. It's been a marathon, yes, not the complete building. Professional skills is built over months and years of disciplined practice, not 8 weeks of study. Not just 8 weeks of study, but built over months and years of disciplined practice. So after this, that's now the beginning of the end, or the end of the beginning. Okay, submit. Basically, assignment, submit your complete. You can do these ones, then you send them to me at Trader Mzambezi. Okay, plus all the things that I told you to come to my DM for ensure you are in the community. So, guys, it's been great. I thank you for being my loyal students up to this point, man. I'm grateful. I hope you've learned and I expect to receive your positive feedbacks. Also, remember to share widely, basically. Be my referrals. Be my referrals. That's what I ask from you. Okay? I'm Tridam Zambezi. Peace out.